Welcome to our in-depth discussion on solar PV cell technologies. Today, we'll explore the various types of solar PV cells in detail, covering their costs, performance, efficiency, and other important aspects. Let's dive in. Our first technology is monocrystalline silicon, or mono-C. These cells are made from a single crystal structure, which gives them a high level of efficiency. Mono-C cells typically have an efficiency range of 15% to 20% and can go even higher in some advanced designs. They perform exceptionally well in high temperatures and low light conditions, making them suitable for various climates. However, due to their intricate manufacturing process and high purity requirements, mono-C cells are generally more expensive compared to other types. Moving on to polycrystalline silicon, or poly-C, cells. These cells are made from multiple silicon crystals, resulting in a lower manufacturing cost compared to mono-C cells. However, their efficiency is slightly lower, usually ranging from 13% to 16%. Poly-C cells still offer a cost-effective solution for solar energy generation and are widely used in residential and commercial installations. Their bluish appearance is a result of the multiple crystal structure. Now let's discuss thin film solar cells. This technology utilizes various materials such as amorphous silicon, AC, cadmium telluride, CdTe, and copper indium gallium selenide, CIGS. Thin film cells have lower manufacturing costs compared to crystalline silicon cells, mainly due to their ability to be deposited onto flexible substrates in a continuous process. However, their efficiency is generally lower, ranging from 10% to 12%, although certain advanced thin film technologies have achieved higher efficiencies. Thin film cells excel in low light conditions, making them suitable for cloudy or shaded environments. Additionally, their flexibility allows for integration into various applications such as building integrated photovoltaics, BIPV. Another exciting solar PV cell technology is Pair of Skite. Pair of Skite cells are made from hybrid organic and inorganic materials like methylammonium lead halide. This relatively new technology has shown rapid improvements in efficiency, with some lab-scale Pair of Skite cells surpassing 25% efficiency. Pair of Skite cells offer the potential for low-cost production and easy scalability. However, they currently face challenges in long-term stability, as the materials can degrade when exposed to moisture and high temperatures. Researchers are actively working on addressing these issues to make Pair of Skite cells commercially viable. Lastly, let's discuss concentrated photovoltaics, CPV. CPV systems utilize lenses or mirrors to concentrate sunlight onto high-efficiency solar cells. By concentrating the sunlight, CPV achieves very high efficiencies, often exceeding 40%. However, CPV systems require precise tracking systems to follow the sun's movement, which adds complexity and cost to the installation. Due to their high concentration and specialized components, CPV systems are primarily used in large-scale installations where direct sunlight is abundant. When considering solar PV systems, it's important to assess factors beyond efficiency. Costs, available space, environmental conditions, and specific project requirements are essential considerations. While mono-C cells offer high efficiency, they come at a higher cost. Poly-C cells provide a more cost-effective option with slightly lower efficiency. Thin film cells offer flexibility and better performance in low light conditions but have lower efficiency. Pair of Skite cells show great promise in terms of efficiency and cost but are still being developed for commercial use. CPV systems achieve very high efficiencies but require precise tracking and are typically suited for large-scale installations. We hope this detailed exploration of solar PV cell technologies has provided valuable insights into their costs, performance, efficiency, and other important factors. As solar energy continues to evolve, these technologies play a vital role in harnessing the power of the sun for a sustainable future. Thank you for joining us, and remember to stay tuned for more in-depth discussions on renewable energy and sustainable technologies.